Today, I'm going to show you how to set up 24/7 customer support using AI for your painting business. Head to AI settings, select the data source, and navigate to the website section. Simply enter your website's URL. In this section, you can review and disable any irrelevant data by turning them off or deleting them individually. You can also make relevant edits immediately. Now let's test Apollo's responses before we activate it on our website. As you can see, Apollo uses the data from our website to respond to customer queries. Activate the recrawl feature to ensure your information remains current and precise at all times. You can also change Apollo's name and role and upload an avatar that you prefer. Imagine tawAIAssist at your service, instantly handling customer queries with real-time data from your website. It's that straightforward. Are you still handling customer service yourself? Activate tawk.to's tawAIAssist today and let Apollo handle it for you 24/7.